Have you ever heard that saying where it's like, would you rather get $1 million or a penny that doubled every day? And at first you might think, well, yeah, the $1 million, but it's smarter to get the penny that doubles each day, because after like a year, that penny will double and double and double and double every day. And then it keeps doubling until you get to like a bajillion, gajillion, million, trillion, ferillion pennies. And that's like a lot of money. More than 1 million, actually. So those pennies, they're exponential, right? So like 1 doubles to 2, and then 2 doubles to 4, 4 doubles to 8, 8 doubles to 16, 16 doubles to 32, 32, 64, 128, 256, 5, 12, 6, 12, I don't know. Something like that. Well, the reason I bring this up is because, like, just now I was thinking, and then, because, like, earlier someone told me this, and I was like, I know the answer, right? But then it reminded me that I've heard this before, like a long time ago when I was like really little. And the whole way it came about was I was watching like a TV show. I don't remember what it was, but there was these two characters playing chess or checkers or something. And the main character, the good guy, maybe it was a girl, but she was like, would you rather have 10 million grains of rice or a piece of rice that doubled every day or something like that? And the bad guy was like, oh, obviously 10 million rice so I can feed my whole family. And the little girl was like, no, actually, it's smart to get the rice that doubles every day, because doubling the double will double the double. And then, so she cleared the checkerboard or whatever. Then she put a rice on the first square. She was like, this is day 1. Now on the second day, it's double. So she put a piece of rice on the square adjacent to it. And then she was like, then these 2 will double, and then she put 2 more. And she kept going until she filled up the whole square. Checkerboard? Something. And she was like, but it doesn't stop there, it keeps going and going. She kept doubling and doubling until like, it didn't even fit on the board, it kept pouring off. And then all of a sudden, like, rice pours from the ceiling, and the bad guy was just pouring in rice, and he was just like drowning. He was drowning in rice. It was really cool. I wonder what it feels like to drown in rice. Swim in rice? Can you swim in rice? Yeah, you can, right? I don't know, whatever. If some crazy old person asks you if you want $1 million or a penny that doubles every day, obviously go for $1 million.